So most of the students struggle to get band 9 in IELTS writing task 2, which is essays. Today I am going to tell you the exact structure to get the band 9. Copy this structure to get band 9 in IELTS. Okay. So the topic on which we have to write essay is what are the advantages and disadvantages of studying abroad. Okay. Follow this formula to get band 9. Okay. The formula is the essay is divided in 4 parts: introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, conclusion. In paraphrase, introduction, we have to paraphrase the question. Paraphrase the question means just telling the exact idea, just change the words. Express the same idea in using different words, and then give your opinion that what do you think about that question, and then just body. Now, for example, this is the introduction. Studying abroad has become increasingly popular as students seek better educational and career opportunities. While this trend offers numerous benefits, it also presents certain challenges. This essay will discuss both perspectives before concluding that advantages outweigh the disadvantages. You clearly gave your opinion that you think advantages outweigh the disadvantages, and then you paraphrase the question, that you expressed the same idea using different words, and then you gave your opinion that you think that advantages outweigh the disadvantages. This is the perfect introduction. Paraphrase the question, then give your opinion. So this was the first part, introduction. Now move to the second part. Body paragraph 1. There are 2 body paragraphs in essay. We have to write 2 body paragraphs in the essay. Body paragraph 1. Body paragraph 2 is similar to body paragraph 1. So the structure is same, just you have to write different content in body paragraph 2. So now the band 9 students don't think randomly. Don't write randomly. They first think that what are the advantages. Don't write randomly. First think that what are the advantages and disadvantages. So the first advantage is very easy, that better education. That why studying abroad has become increasingly popular. Why? The reason is better education. And second reason is exposure to diverse cultures. So the reasons are very easy because we all know better education. Going abroad gives you better education and it gives you exposure to diverse cultures. So the reason, first write reasons. Don't write randomly, first write reasons. Body paragraph 2, what are the disadvantages? We have to write. Body paragraph 2 has the same structure, that give reasons. For the same structure, just give the different reasons. The disadvantages are homesickness and expenses, high cost of tuition fees and high cost of living, expenses and homesickness. They are 2 disadvantages. In body paragraph 2, we will write disadvantages. In body paragraph, we will write advantages. So advantages and disadvantages we have already written. And now conclusion. In conclusion, you just have to give balanced opinion. In conclusion, you just summarize that we discussed both advantages and disadvantages, and to summarize the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. This is a very balanced opinion given in a summary. That we summarized both. To summarize both advantages and disadvantages, the outcome is that its benefits significantly exceed its drawbacks. Balanced opinion. So this is the structure to follow to get band 9. Paraphrase the question, then give your opinion. Now move to body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2. We have to write 2 body paragraphs. The structure is same, just give different data. In body paragraph 1, we gave advantages. In body paragraph 2, we gave disadvantages. Now move to conclusion, where we will give the balanced opinion. We already know our opinion. Our opinion is that its benefits surpass its drawbacks. So just write that we explored both the perspectives, and we have arrived at the conclusion that its benefits significantly surpass its drawbacks. So give balanced opinion in conclusion. So I think it's very easy. If you understand the structure, if you understand the formula, then the writing an essay becomes very easy. Another example. So why most students are stuck at band 6? Because they give a very basic introduction. They give a very outdated introduction, such as studying abroad has many advantages and disadvantages. In this essay, I will discuss both aspects before concluding with my own opinion. Now, this is the introduction which we give in school essays. So IELTS, there's a difference between school essay and IELTS essay. Don't give such basic answer. So this is definitely a band 6 introduction. Now, how to upgrade it into band 9 introduction? Upgrade this introduction into band 9 introduction. Studying abroad offers numerous benefits. However, it presents certain drawbacks as well. This essay will just explore both aspects before concluding with my own opinion. Okay, now move to the actual essay. Copy this essay to get band 9 in IELTS. Studying abroad has become increasingly popular as students seek better educational and career opportunities. While this trend offers numerous benefits, it also presents certain challenges. This essay will discuss both perspectives and before concluding that advantages certainly outweigh the disadvantages. On one hand, studying abroad provides access to high quality education and better learning facilities. Many international universities offer specialized programs that aren't available in students' home country. Furthermore, students gain exposure to diverse cultures, which broadens their perspectives and enhances their communication skills. On the other hand, there are notable drawbacks to studying abroad. One major concern is high cost of tuition fees and living expenses, which can place a significant financial burden on individuals and their families. In addition, many students face homesickness and cultural shock, which may negatively impact their mental well-being and academic performance. To summarize, studying abroad has certain drawbacks. However, its advantages in terms of education and career prospects certainly outweigh its disadvantages. Therefore, I believe its benefits significantly surpass its drawbacks. I have used different words. Well, for example, it was written here that its benefits outweigh the drawbacks, but I said its benefits significantly exceed its drawbacks. I use different words because in different words in speaking and different words in writing give you exposure to diverse vocabulary, give you more ideas to write. Because you will see that here it is written its benefits outweigh the drawbacks, but I said its benefits significantly exceed its drawbacks. So you learn two things: exceeding the drawbacks, and its benefits certainly outweighing the drawbacks. So you learn two things. That's why I say different things. I write different things and say different things for you to learn for you to learn two things, for you to learn more things to write, for you to learn more and advanced vocabulary to write. That was my purpose. So it was intentional, not unintentional. Hope you enjoyed my lesson. I think it was a very helpful lesson. Stay tuned if you want to get Band 9, because I will be, now for 1 week, I will be uploading same lessons on IELTS essay. I will give you more tips to get Band 9 in IELTS essay for 7 days, continuously. So stay tuned if you want to score Band 9 in IELTS writing essay. Thank you.